Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of ROCK in the USA as recorded by John Mellencamp. This video is being released for July 4th, 2023, which is Independence Day for the United States of America, so happy July 4th to those of you that celebrate and are American citizens. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to do three things. First of all, we will look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then I'll talk about strumming for people who don't know what they want to do for strumming. Also, if you like the chords that you see in this video, you can actually find the chords or tabs on my website, totally free, UkeStuff.info, and look up the chord chart or tabs button and page, and that will actually list all the songs that are available in alphabetical order. Look for ROCK in the USA. If you want to support the channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for soprano concert tenor GCEA ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Mitchell Stars and Stripes concert ukulele. All right, the first chord you'll need is the D chord. There are a bunch of ways to play the D chord. Katie Denure at One Music School has a YouTube video that I think has 7 different ways to play the D chord. Let me show you the ones that I do, and then you can choose whatever you want to do. That's the great thing about the D chord. It's one of the first chords that you have the right to choose whatever and however you want to play it that works best for you. So what I do is I generally put my first finger at the top of the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and my other 2 fingers around it on the other strings, making like a small G7 chord. That works for me and allows me to shift between other chords pretty easily. The books will always show 1, 2, 3 in a row. If you're going to be playing the E chord, there's a way to play the E chord with 2, 3, 4 and then the first finger. So some people play the D chord the same way with 2, 3, 4. Some people use 2 fingers. Some people use 1 finger, bending their ring finger like this. Really, whatever you choose, any one of those, just don't reach around with your thumb like that. I was just recently watching closely a Steven Universe video, and it showed Steven playing a chord like that, and I was like, oh no, that's not good. So yeah, don't play the D that way, but any other way you can play the D. Then you need the G chord, then the C chord, and then the A chord. And those are the chords you need to play ROCK in the USA on soprano concert or tenor GCEA ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. For baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele, but it has Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it that allows me to play a concert scale instrument with baritone tuning. All right, so the first chord you're going to need is the D chord, then the G chord, then the C chord, and then the A chord. And you can play the A chord any number of ways. I usually play it by putting the first finger at the top of the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and my other 2 fingers around it, sort of like a smaller D7 chord. But you can also play it fingers 1, 2, and 3 in a row. You can play it fingers 2, 3, and 4 in a row. You can use 2 fingers. You can use 1 finger by bending it. Whatever works best for you, just don't reach around with your thumb to play the A chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play ROCK in the USA on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. All right, for strumming, let's keep it super simple. Now, if you hear something different, please feel free to play that. The number 1 question on the Uke Play-Alongs channel is, what's the strumming pattern? And the answer is, when there is no ukulele in the original version, there's no single right answer. So if you play something at the right tempo with the right chords and it sounds good, that's all that matters. Now, if you can't find that yourself, here's just one suggestion for you. I would most of the time just go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Like that. It's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up on pretty much every chord. So you've got D, G, C, G, D, G, C, G. That sequence just goes over and over. Now, the only change to that would be in the song where you get the A chord, and then I think I would go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, stop. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, stop. That's what I would do on the A chord. So you've got... That's the only thing thing I would do different, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, or down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, stop, that would be what I would do on the A alone, anytime that the A happens in the song. All right, so with those two strumming patterns and with the chords in the song, that's all you need to do to be successful on ROCK in the USA by John Mellencamp. I hope you're having a great day. To those of you from the United States that are celebrating Independence Day, a happy Independence Day to you. Happy July 4th. And I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.